So I've been taking the risk of doing it. So I ain't like the first one I did, but I'm gonna do it over. And I got my girls with me. So yeah. Wish me luck, y'all, okay? So don't laugh at me, okay? Hold on. Let me get it ready. Damn, son.
You can't take that whole clear thing off.
Can I? Yeah.
You bought that just to bring it here?
I had it yesterday. I was gonna do it. I didn't know my homeboy had it. Don't laugh at me. I can't laugh at me.
Hold the seashell.
Take it off.
Give me.
Take it off? Okay, thank you.
Come on, what's this?
Okay.
Oh.
Y'all ready?
I got it.
Oh, this shit smell like it burn.
And she got her water right here.
Water.
Bobby right there.
Alright.
So she gonna need it.
Y'all gonna wish me luck?
Good luck.
Alright.
You have to swallow it.
Okay.
Wait.
Oh. Don't laugh. I get burned. Oh my god. That shit burns, guys. So now you gotta do it now.
No, I'm not doing this. Why?
You want some juice? I give you some juice. Make it homemade. Some juice. You sure? I make it from scratch.